Greetings, children. Welcome back to the English class. I'm your English teacher, Miss Rachna Chandarana, and I'm back with another learning video. Today, we are going to see part 4 of the lesson we have started on Monday. The name of the lesson is Lesson 5, The Adventures of Little Al. We have seen 3 previous videos on the same lesson. In part 1, we saw the explanation, reading, and animation of the story. In part 2, we saw the new words and the word bank. In part 3, that is yesterday, we did 3 exercises from the lesson. All these 3 exercises were comprehension exercises. Exercise A1, which was choose the correct answer. Exercise A2, which was sequencing the events in Edison's life. And exercise A3, which was question and answers. Today, we are going to do another 3 exercises from the same lesson. The first 2 exercises are from vocabulary. Exercise B1 on page 30 and exercise B2 that is on page 31. Then we are going to do the listening activity of the lesson, that is exercise D1. I am going to read out a paragraph to you and you have to fill in the blanks in your book. So let us get going with the exercises. First of all, I would want you to take out the lesson Adventures of Little Al in your book, the Real English Book 4. I would want you to take out page number 30 and be ready with a pencil. Because all these 3 exercises today, children, are going to be in the book itself. All you need is your Real English book and a pencil in your hand. So let's get going with the 3 exercises. We are going to start with exercise B1 today, which is on page number 30. It's a part of vocabulary. This exercise says there are 6 families of words in the grid below. Each family has 5 members. Identify the families and list their members. One family has been identified for you. So children, we have got some words in a grid. We have to put them in order and put them in the correct family row. Let us go ahead and see how to do this exercise. First of all, let us see the words in the grid. Let me read out the words for you. The words are chemicals, blaze, weekly, week, experiment, boxcar, radio, science, smoke, newspaper, flame, newsboy, quench, platform, deaf, fire, train, fragile, magazine, telephone, electric bulb, coach, laboratory, telegraph, phosphorus, handicap, periodical, phonograph, conductor, and strong. Now children, all these words are jumbled up right now. We have to separate them and put them in families. The first family is already done for us. Let us try and do the other 5. Do you think you can do it on your own? Why don't you give it a try? Go ahead and try it. You can pause the video here and try doing it yourself. Then I will tell you the answers. Let us see the answers of this exercise. The first family has already been done for us. It was chemicals, experiment, science, laboratory, and phosphorus. Now children, if you see this family, all of them belong to science. Yes, chemicals, experiments, laboratory, phosphorus, all these belong to the family of science. Let us identify the second family. The second family is radio, telephone, telegraph, electric bulb, and phonograph. Now all these children are gadgets. They are electronic items which we have put in family number 2. Please write them down quickly in family 2. Make sure that your spellings are correct and you write them down neatly. Now let us see family 3. Blaze, smoke, flame, fire, and quench. Now in this family, children, all the words are related to fire. If you see them carefully, all have a relationship with fire. Now quickly write these down in family number 3. Don't forget to be neat and don't forget to write the correct spellings. Let us see the fourth family. Weak, fragile, strong, deaf, and handicap. Now all these words, children, are words related to Edison. Initially he was weak and fragile, then he became strong, he became deaf, and he became handicapped. So all these words are related to Edison. Write them down quickly in your book in family number 4. Now let's see family number 5. Boxcar, platform, train, coach, and conductor. Now if you see this family, children, all the words are related to a train. Yes, it's very easy to identify them. Write them down quickly in family number 5. Now let us do family number 6. Newspaper, magazine, periodical, newsboy, and weekly. Now if you see carefully, all these words are related to newspaper and magazines. Yes. Wasn't that easy? Quickly write it down in family number 6 and make sure that your work is neat and tidy so that I can read it properly while you upload them on ERP, and make sure that you write the correct spellings. Very good. Now let us go ahead and do the next exercise. Now children, let us go ahead and see the next part of vocabulary. It says making new words. Look at the way the following words from the lesson have been split. The first one is invention, which says invent, I-N-V-E-N-T plus I-O-N, which makes it invention. Hardship, that is H-A-R-D plus S-H-I-P, that makes it hardship. The third one is operator, which is O-P-E-R-A-T-E plus O-R, operator. The next one is teacher, T-E-A-C-H plus E-R, teacher. Now children, We can make new words by adding a group of letters to a word. The group of letters added at the end of a word to make a new word is called a suffix. By adding a suffix, we get a new word whose meaning is different but is related to the original word. By adding the suffix ion to the verb invent, we got the noun invention, which means something that is invented. By adding the suffix or to the verb invent, we got a noun inventor, which means a person who invents. So I'm sure you can understand what it means by adding suffix and making a new word. Let us go ahead and do the next exercise, which is based on this. I want you to take out page number 31 and look at exercise B2. It says, look at the list of suffix and example words formed using them. Add 2 more examples of your own for each suffix. Now children, if you see this exercise, they have given us 5 suffix here, and with each suffix they have given us 2 examples. We have to add 2 more examples of our own. So let us go ahead and try and do this exercise. I hope you're ready with a pencil and your book. The first suffix given here is ion. Example 1 is creation and example 2 is education. On our own we can write dictation, that is dictation, and presentation, that is presentation. The second suffix given is ship, ship, and the examples given are hardship and relationship. Now we can add on our own friendship, that is friendship, and scholarship, that is scholarship, scholarship. The next one given to us is ness, ness. The first example given is deafness and cleverness. We can add hardness, that is hardness, and thickness, that is thickness. The fourth suffix is or, and the first example is operator and the second example is inspector given to us. We can add advisor, that is advisor, and the next one is creator, creator. The last suffix is er, and the examples given are teacher and recorder. We can write opener, opener, and sticker, sticker. Now children, all these examples that I have written, you can either copy these or you can write examples of your own. In case you're confused, please don't get more confused, just write the examples that I have set for you. Make sure that your work is neat and all the spellings you write are correct. After you finish your work, please click a picture and upload it on ERP so that I can check it. We are going to omit the grammar exercises because they refer to tenses and we have yet not started with tenses in grammar. So we will skip that and go ahead to the listening skills. There is a listening activity in which there is fill in the blanks. It's on page 34. I am going to read out a passage to you twice and you have to fill in the blanks that are given in the book. You simply need a pencil and your book for this exercise. This is the story of Ramana Atreya, who is an Indian bird watcher. So I am going to read out the passage for you, and you have to fill in the blanks that are given in the book. The activity is on page 34 and it is exercise D1. This is how the blanks are set for you, and while I read the audio transcript, you have to fill in the blanks with the words that are missing. I will read out the transcript twice for you. So let us get going. Ramana Atreya is an Indian bird watcher. He recently made a rare discovery. Ramana spotted a brand new species of bird. He found this small colorful bird in a forest. In the summer of 2006, Ramana studied the bird closely. He took photographs, made notes, and also collected feathers of the bird. When all these were presented to scientists, they agreed that this was indeed a new species. Ramana was the first to discover a new type of bird in India in the past 50 years. There was a tribe called Buguns near the area where Ramana found the bird. He named the bird after them. Ramana and a team of scientists planned to do more research and look for new types of animals. They are excited about the idea of discovering new types of butterflies, reptiles, insects, and plants. Now, children, I read the passage for you once. I'm sure you heard it carefully. Now I'm going to read out the passage for you once again. Take the pencil and start filling the blanks. Here it goes. A discovery. Ramana Atreya is an Indian bird watcher. He recently made a rare discovery. Ramana spotted a brand new species of bird. He found the small colorful bird in a forest. In the summer of 2006, Ramana studied the bird closely. He took photographs, made notes, and also collected feathers of the bird. When all these were presented to scientists, they agreed that this was indeed a new species. Ramana was the first to discover a new type of bird in India in the past 50 years. There was a tribe called Buguns near the area where Ramana found the bird. He named the bird after them. Ramana and a team of scientists plan to do more research and look for new types of animals. They are excited about the idea of discovering new types of butterflies, reptiles, insects, and plants. So children, I want you to go ahead and try and do this exercise on your own first, and then I will tell you the answer. So pause the video here and try and fill in the blanks. Now let us see the answers for this exercise. Exercise D1, page 34. The first blank is Indian, I-N-D-I-A-N. Don't forget to write I in capital because it's the name of a country. The next blank is made, that is M-A-D-E. The next blank is colorful, that is C-O-L-O-U-R-F-U-L. The next blank is 2006, 2006. The next blank is photographs, P-H-O-T-O-G-R-A-P-H-S. The next blank is feathers, F-E-A-T-H-E-R-S. The next blank is scientists, S-C-I-E-N-T-I-S-T-S. The next blank is 50 years. 50 years. The next blank is found. found. The next blank is named. named. The next blank is animals. animals. And the last blank is discovering. 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 Now children, make sure all your spellings are correct and make sure that your handwriting is neat. With this, we come to the end of this lesson. Children, I hope you have understood the lesson properly and you have done all the exercises. I hope you have done the new words, the word bank, the comprehension exercise, and today's exercises. And I hope you have understood everything clearly. In case you have got stuck anywhere, please feel free to contact me. Thank you very much for watching the videos. I will catch you again in the coming weeks with new English videos. Till then, I want you to stay at home with your family, stay safe, and keep learning. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have created a channel specially for you on YouTube, which is called Rachna Chandarana. You will find all my English videos on my channel. This is me, your English teacher, Miss Rachna Chandarana, signing off for the day. I'll see you again very soon with more English videos. Bye-bye.